Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to duplicate apps on iPhone. So creating a duplicate copy of an app icon is easy. So to do this, swipe to the app library at the right edge of all your home screens. And now look through the various folders or use the search bar to find the app that you want to duplicate. So in my case, I want to duplicate the Twitter app. So what I'm going to do is to tap and hold on the app and then drag it to the left edge of the screen and drop it into the home screen. So remember that we have to drag it on the second page of the home screen since it won't work if we drag it on the first. So repeat this process as many times as you like to create as many duplicates as you need. And as you can see, we have now duplicates of the Twitter app, and if we're going to click all this, it all works. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.